Uh, 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 uh.
I think we're live.
We're live.
Yes,
We're live.
sir.
Hey, we're here.
Are
We're
we live?
here. We're here. Yeah, we're live, I think.
Perfect.
Pretty sure we are live. Damn, brother. Back again with another
Five
stream.
hundred.
500.
500.
100, brother. 500, brother. 500. I don't know,
500.
bro. In
Half a thousand. Half a
in
thousand.
one in one night, bro, we blew past the 500. And it's all thanks to one man.
To, to
The
Mr.
man, the
Michael.
myth, the legend, Mr. Michael. You know, me personally, and I think I'll express what you're feeling too. We're gonna show the thanks. We're gonna express our thanks and appreciation we have to Michael, because with that stream blew up with 1.3 views, I think, up to now. He,
1.3 thousand.
1.3, yeah, 1.3 thousand. Yes, sir. And Michael W, if you're seeing this, if you're combined, thank you. Your stream really was great. It was amazing, and thank you for being there, being such a guest, great person, and for accepting this invite. It was amazing, and the stream, blew, launched us over the ballpark, brother. It was a
We
home
gained
run.
like we gained like 20 plus like 60 subs.
Woo,
60 subs
brother.
from that video.
Damn,
So
60 subs. That is
that's a
crazy.
big deal.
That is crazy.
I hope the new people get to enjoy the future streams that we
Yes,
have,
sir. Yes, sir.
and we're gonna plan a 500 sub special stream. Uh,
Yep, yeah.
we have no clue what that's gonna entail just yet, but um, excited for that. It should be next week. Next week we'll have that celebration.
Hopefully. Yes,
So,
sir.
but anyways, Jose, how you been? How you doing, bro? What you been up to?
I've been great. I'm happy. I'm really excited. To be here again. We're trying out something new this stream. Something not new when it comes to the format or anything, but just the leak code, the type of leak codes that we're gonna do. That's interesting. It's gonna be fun. And hey, bro, I got a bone to pick with you, my guy.
Oh, what
We
happened?
got we got we got
What
a
are,
race. We got a race to
what are you talking
schedule, and
about?
you've been trying to avoid it. You've been trying to
What
avoid
do
it.
you mean?
Yeah. Just put out some context. Starting of the semester, he said, we found the route in the university. He said, like, oh, if we start from here and all the way and end it over there, I'll beat you. And I was like, hey, all this stuff. He was throwing all this stuff. And now you have to catch up to me. 3 weeks later, he's just like, hey, I don't want to go to school anymore. I'm gonna stay home. Like,
Oh,
woo, and damn,
you're
bro,
really gonna expose me like that?
I'm exposing like that, my
You're gonna
boy. See,
expose me
hey,
like that?
hey, hey, I need some confirmation.
Well, I'm down. This next week,
I'm done.
this next week, Monday, Wednesday, I'm
Ooh,
there.
damn.
I'm gonna make sure to stretch. Maybe not tomorrow. Wednesday. Wednesday. I need to
Wednesday,
recover
what
right
happened?
now. I'm a little bit sick, so
Okay, take it
give
the
me
words.
Wednesday. If you're gonna be at school, we're gonna start at the not software, the softball
The stuff bomb? Yeah.
field. We're gonna go through the practice football field, go
Oh my.
around, go through, loop around until we hit the parking lot, which is roughly how long did we say it was? How many?
Like a quarter mile, give or
Quarter
take.
mile. A quarter mile. We're gonna start and we're gonna race. And bro said he's gonna be in front of me the whole race. So he's gonna dust
Oh,
me.
my.
And I'm
Too
telling
easy,
him,
brother.
at what point does he think he's gonna catch up? Because
Never,
I don't
never,
see him starting up.
never,
I don't see him
never.
starting off
Ah.
and beating me from the jump. There's no way. There's no
Well, we'll
way.
see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll
I'm
see.
gonna
We'll see.
catch up.
We'll see.
I'm gonna be ahead. And yes, you're probably gonna gain some traction, and you're gonna catch up slowly but surely. But I think the length is not long enough for you to catch up. I think
We'll
eventually you
see. We'll
will.
see.
Eventually you will catch up. Eventually, but I don't think you'll catch up in a
Oh
quarter
my.
mile.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't
So
know. It's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be interesting.
yeah.
But
But
hey,
anyways, so
just
Wednesday,
throwing it out there. Just
put it
throwing
on
it
the
out.
calendar.
Wednesday.
Write it
Calendar.
down.
Wednesday. Yeah.
Write it down.
I have sticky notes on me.
Yeah,
I got post notes.
get that sticky note out, bro.
Wednesday. I want put the time. Put the time too.
Oh, you
What's the
tell
time?
me.
What's the time?
Oh, I do
I mean,
have
I'm
class. I do
there.
have class
Oh, what? Oh, that's what time?
from 1 to
Ooh,
5.
5. I get out at 12.
Oof. Then it has to be in the morning. I could do in the
I
morning.
get
Oh, what
what
happened?
time in the morning?
Oh,
So I have class from 9 all the way to 12.
okay. We
I
could
mean,
do 12. We could do 12 then.
I have an hour gap though, like from
I don't want you to go
10
into
to
your
11.
I don't want you to go into your next class like upset, like like. So.
Dude, it's an online class, so.
I mean, that'll work. From 10 to 11, you have a gap?
Yeah.
What about, do you know if Michael is going to be there as well?
He can, I think he can be there because he has the same class in the online.
Okay. Because I want Michael to
You
be
gotta
there
ask him
to witness this defeat of yours.
Witness this. Oh, brother. Oh, do you have a online class at 1?
I have online class at 1, yeah.
Okay.
So, I mean, I'm cool with doing 11. 11's cool.
10.
10, whatever it was.
10 to 11 Wednesday. Easy win of my life. And put that in my sticky note right here.
Oh,
5.
man. I'm going to beat you so easily.
Yeah,
it's not even going to be funny. It's not even going to be funny.
We'll see.
Like, you're going to be so behind that I'm going to be like, damn, like, I'm going to be waiting. Like, I could probably do a whole nother workout by the time I wait for you. I could probably go get some food from Chick-fil-A or something.
Damn, bro.
I could do like a little, like a curbside order, quick little order, get some fries, come back. Oh, Jose's still not here? I'll be like, damn. So.
Damn, bro. You gonna do it like that? Ooh,
like that, yeah. But, all right, man.
All right, brother. Let's get this stream.
Let's get the stream started today.
Let's get this stream
started. All right,
started.
Everyone. Surprise, surprise. We're doing SQL type questions today. We're taking a database course currently this semester, so we're kind of familiar with how queries work. And we're still learning, of course, so we think this will be a good time to apply that learning. From our class to this. I definitely got to refresh it, so it's gonna be. I think the joins and stuff are something that I refresh a little bit more on, and then aggregated functions, stuff like that. So this would be a good little practice and stuff. So what problem do you think we should do first? I know we have 3 problems set, which are
I mean
this one, these 3.
I think let's do the first one. The first one is Senshu, because I think that one's the easiest one, the select one. Let me see. Let me open. Oh, my Discord is on.
Find customer.
Yeah. Find customer. Yes.
Referee. Okay.
Yeah.
All
right. So, you want me to start it off?
Sure, man. Sure.
All right. So we got problem. All right. Just a little context. These are from SQL 50. This is like a little playlist of SQL questions, and we got it from there. So yeah.
We're back.
All right. We're back. All right. So this is problem 584. Find customer referee. This is an easy problem, and it says the following: we're given a table of customers with a column name with an ID, name of referee ID with a type of int, char, and int respectively. And it says in SQL, ID is a primary key column for this table. Each row of this table indicates the ID of a customer, their name, and the ID of the customer who referees them. Find the names of the customers that are not refereed by the customer with ID of 2. Return the results table in any order. The result format in the following example. Okay. Okay. So here we got in example one, we're given an input customer table with the first entry being Will and the referee of Noel, Jane, Alex, Bill, Josiah, and Mark, and Noel 2, Noel 1, and 2 being the respective ID, and the output of the name, which is Will, Jane, Bill, Zach. Okay, fair enough.
So, if their referee ID is not 2, return all the ones that are not 2.
Yes.
Okay. So I'm gonna follow your lead, but of course we want to select the customer table, and then select the in referred ID where number doesn't equal to blah 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 group by name or whatever.
Yeah. So here we're gonna select name. We're gonna select name from table, customer table. I think that's the name. From customer. Where referee ID is not equal to 2.
I don't know if that's syntactically correct, but
yeah, me neither. So we'll check it out.
Okay.
And I think that should work. Not sure.
Ufas.
Wow, that's how bad SQL, bro. I couldn't render the component.
We couldn't even render it today. Wow.
Damn. Who fast?
Just the damn.
Oh man.
Oh man.
Hey,
we're cooked.
Ali, welcome to the chat. Ali, welcome to the
what's
chat.
up, Ali? How you doing? What's been up? What's been new? What's been cracking? All right. Should we search up an example query?
Yeah, I'm done for that.
What's going on here? From select.
Oh.
I think it's select customer from name.
No, because you select the name from the customer table.
No, but you select the table and then you could choose which parts from the table you want to get.
I think it's the other way around.
You think it's the other way around?
Yeah, you select the like.
Let me look at my
column.
notes. How about this?
Oh damn, bro. Oh fine. Let's see the notes.
All right. I'm pulling up the notes, bro.
Hey, we have to update our sub goal. Whenever next stream, we have to update it.
We'll update it. What are you thinking? What's our next?
1,000. 1,000. That's a goal. That's
Dude, that's gonna be crazy. 1,000.
Bro, the ad revenue. Ooh.
All right.
No, I'm kidding.
We're gonna be getting like $7, split it in half.
Hey, $3 each, bro.
Dude, we're gonna be banking.
We're gonna be banking, bro.
All right, I got some examples here.
All right, bet. Let's see.
All right, yeah, you're right. Wait. Yeah, you're right. Okay, try this. Let's do this. Let's do this. And then select from customer where. Oh, okay, that's if you do the join. Okay. Okay, how about this? What happens if you just do this? What if?
All
Let's see
right,
if
let's
this
see.
runs. See if this runs anything. Error rendering. All right, dude. What's going on? Is there any examples we could look at, or?
I think it's just an error of LeetCode. Like our code is running, but it's just not rendering the page. So maybe you'll have to refresh the entire page.
Refresh the entire page? Okay.
Yeah, maybe.
Let's see. Oh,
Let's
okay.
go. Let's
Perfect.
go.
Perfect.
Let's go. Let's go.
Good stuff, Jose. Let's see what
I
this
try my
does.
best.
All right. You have SQL syntax.
Oh, I think you need
To
a semicolon.
right here. Okay.
Ooh, fast.
For the right syntax to use near not equal
Oh,
to.
you need a referee ID. Referee ID not equal to 2.
Ah,
Because right now it's
yes,
just
yes,
where
yes.
yeah.
Silly me.
Oh,
Ufas. Oh, okay. So no is not being picked up as a value.
okay. So here I think you have to use the or
Or
referee ID
not equal to nil.
equals no equals no.
Okay.
I think that works. Damn.
I don't know. Just throwing that in there.
Oh,
Ufas. Okay.
oh fast.
So
Hmm. Damn.
can you do 2 where statements?
I think it's just one. What if I know there's a keyword called is, like referee ID is no, because I'm not sure.
Like that or
I
like
don't know.
this?
Yeah, like that.
Good stuff.
Oh, damn. All right, that's shot in dark.
Good stuff.
Yeah, because I don't know how no is treated on SQ. I think it's treated as
Oops.
like nothing, like not even like a
A
value.
value or anything?
Yeah, so I don't think you can do an equal sign, but you could
Why
do
do we
is
have
though.
an ad?
Oh, brother, bro. Hey. Mute
I
it.
muted it. I muted it.
No free advertisement here.
Don't worry. We make sure that ain't happening around here.
Hey,
Beautiful.
hey, hey,
Our
hey,
first
hey,
SQL problem
hey,
solved.
hey, hey.
Hold up. I need to get
We
a
beat
drink, bro. Give me a
77%.
second.
All right, bet. You go for it. All right, how's the chat doing? How's everybody doing? How's everybody in the chat? We're doing some SQL problems here and there.
I'm back.
All right, we're back. Doing some SQL questions. Is a change of errors per se and stuff to do
Ah,
something
it's so
more.
good.
What
Guess
you
what I'm
get? Dr.
drinking?
Pepper?
No.
Diet Coke.
Keep going. Almost. You almost got it.
Diet Dr. Pepper.
No. No, it's a trick question. You got it, but you didn't get the right word.
Zero? Coke Zero?
Yeah. Yep.
Oh, okay. Fair. I heard
So
those
good.
like type of drinks, like the diet drinks, have
All right, here
they
we go.
they taste. No. I'm not saying nothing. I just heard that they taste that they taste sweeter. Like even though they don't have
Ah,
sugar, they taste sweeter. I'm not sure it's true. I never tried one. So I was just asking, do they
You never
taste sweet or not?
tried a Coke Zero before.
Nah, nah.
What's going on with that?
I just don't drink Coke in general. I
Not
just one day
even
decided like,
you never tried a diet soda or whatever?
nah.
When did you stop drinking soda?
Oh, like when I was 12.
When you were 12?
Yeah, I just stayed with like juices and like Kool-Aids and like
Uh-huh.
sweet teas. Yeah, I stayed with those. So that's what I'm asking, because I that's my impression. Like that's what they told me.
What
So I'm
if
just
I
asking you.
what if I said, "Oh, Jose, try this juice," and it was soda? Would you be upset?
I mean, I would smell it.
So
You know?
if I gave you a drink, you're gonna smell it.
No, but is it like it smells like Coke and like you can see the gas and stuff.
No, I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna mask it into a juice.
Be like, oh, try this lemonade. It's all dark and black.
it's it's a special lemonade.
Special lemonade.
All
I mean,
right.
I don't think I would get mad, but I just feel like, yeah,
I'm just kidding. I would
I,
never do
I,
that.
I was,
I just didn't know what
bet.
your how serious you took the soda consumption. That's
Yeah, I
all.
mean, I just
So
stopped and kind of like stopped, and I was like,
you
nah,
know what?
I'm just gonna stop this
Since you stopped,
next
I'ma
thing.
stop. I'm done with this soda. After this one,
Oh,
I'm done.
bet. Bet. All
I
right, fair enough, fair
after this one, I'm done
enough. Bet.
with this brand.
With that brand, okay,
Mm.
with that brand, so you can try other brands.
Also, hold up. Switch the
Yeah,
topic a little bit.
yeah.
Um, you did something this weekend. You mind talking
Oh,
about it a little bit? What did you do over the
bro,
weekend?
I saw Mr. Worldwide
Mr.
305
Worldwide, excuse
international
me. International.
international love, brother.
Dude,
I was
International
like,
Love, is that the one with Chris Brown?
I think so. I think so.
Uh,
Dude,
International. We're
love,
international.
brother. Yes,
What was your
sir,
favorite song?
bro. Motel,
Hey,
Holiday Inn, bro.
hey.
Forget about your boyfriend.
Oh,
Nah.
excuse
Freak your
me. What the?
girlfriends. Hey,
Yo, all right, that's it. What church you go
yo.
to, Jose? I'm gonna go report this real quick.
Hey, yo.
I'm gonna go report this. This is not okay. You go to a
No.
concert. Was it your first concert you went to?
It was my first concert.
You go to your
Yeah, it was
first
my
concert
first.
and you're over here saying these lyrics in which
Oh, dude.
extremely disgusting lyrics. I can't believe I'm
Dude,
hearing you say
dude,
these things.
bro.
Hotel motel, forget about
I
your
got.
boyfriend, bring your girlfriends.
Yeah, girlfriends.
Excuse
Hey,
me.
hey, hey, hey,
Yeah, no,
bro.
I'm definitely gonna
I
find
got
whatever church
influence,
you go
bro. I
to.
got
By
influence.
who?
By,
Don't.
by Pitbull, my guy.
Oh, okay, I was about to say. I hope you weren't gonna blame me for this.
No. Of course not.
You
Of
got
course
influence. I was like, by who?
not. No,
So,
I went
anyways, it
to.
was fun though. It was cool.
It was fun. He put a show. He was a really nice show and everything, and it was also my first festival. So a lot of people. It was packed. I thought it was gonna be more packed, like more the people more compact, and everybody's just gonna be chaotic. But to be my first festival and everything, people were just like kind of calm, chilling. I do have a complaint though,
Oh,
bro.
what's the complaint?
Dude, they see a small gap, bro, like a 1 inch gap, bro, and they try to sneak in through that 1 inch gap, bro.
Ah,
And they're pushing and hustling. And I'm like, dude, bro, like you see the people, you see how people there, and they're trying to pass through. You know what I'm saying?
yeah.
And that's the only complaint I have, because it's like, damn, bro. And I was on the edge, like on the edge with the rails. So I
Uh-huh.
was getting squished up onto that. I was like, nah, bro, that's crazy. I feel, well, and that it was good. People were great. People were pretty chill. The people around me were really nice, really calm.
Yeah.
They're very
So was
respectful
it
and stuff.
squished or like were you like squished or anything
I was I
or?
was I wasn't squished like all the time. I had, good space and stuff, but when people were passing, that's where I was getting squished.
Yeah.
But other than that, it was pretty chill, pretty good. So it was a good festival to go there. Would I go back again? I don't think so. You know, It's too much hustle. It's very hot, very humid, very a lot of hectic people. It's just I feel like it's a one-time experience for
One
me.
time experience. Okay.
Yeah, I had fun, but I don't think I'll do it again.
All right.
No, yeah, but it was fun. It was fun. It was
Yeah.
fun.
For me
Yeah,
specifically, I don't know if I would have gone either. I'm not a crowd guy, to be quite
yeah,
honest. Every once
uh-huh,
in a while, yeah, I'll go somewhere. But
yeah, yeah,
I'm not a crowd guy. But I'm sure for a concert though, like if it's an artist I really like, I don't care
yeah.
what the crowd is, I'm there. But to be
Yeah,
quite honest, I've never been to a concert before, so I've never
yeah.
experienced that.
No, it's the vibe, bro. It's crazy, bro. I mean, people jumping and singing like, and everything. It was nice. But like you said,
Yeah.
there wouldn't be there's no artist right now where I'm like, yeah, let's go again to a festival just to watch it. Nah, dude, it's
Hmm.
and and
Maybe
the
Jennifer Lopez.
Jennifer Lopez. I don't know. I don't know.
What type
I
of?
don't
Hold
know.
up, we got a comment real quick
We got from
from
Jarquin.
Jarquin. Hey guys, you should try out the Daily Problem. Oofas.
Ooh, daily problem.
Let's take a
LeetCode
peek real quick. Let's take a peek.
LeetCode has a daily
They
problem.
have daily problems, yes.
Really, I didn't know that.
Yes,
That's
yes.
fun. That's it.
Orcus,
Orcus,
what's up, pal?
yo,
How you
welcome to the
doing?
stream, Orcus. Hey, thank you, brother. Thank you. We appreciate it a
Thank
lot,
you,
Orcus. Thank you,
Orcus.
thank you.
Hey, we couldn't have done it without you. You've
Yes,
been a
sir.
supporter for a long time. Medium
Yeah.
problem. I'm gonna be real with you.
Mm.
I don't know if I have the strength right now for a medium problem.
Yeah.
I'm in rest mode. Today I'm feeling a little sick. In the morning and stuff. So, and I'm still recovering from it. I'm trying not to move my head as much as possible. But
Yeah. Yeah.
no excuses, of course. I would definitely embrace this challenge, but I don't know if today is the right move for me. Unless Jose wants to carry, Jose could definitely carry. I'll try to help as much as I can,
Ooh,
but
us.
but my thinking right now
Damn.
is not as how do you say? How do you say?
As
My thinking is not
like
as
at its full
at
potential.
its full potential right now. It's
Yeah. I
definitely
mean,
at
I'm.
I definitely have like
Oh.
a wound in my brain right now.
Yeah.
So that's why we're thinking, we'll do SQL problems, keep it chill.
Yeah. Let's
But
do.
I mean,
Let's finish
maybe.
the.
What do you think? Finish
I was
these?
thinking let's do finish these, and if we all feel comfortable, we can give it a try on the medium pro. How about that?
Okay. Yeah,
How
let's
about that?
try it.
How about
Let's
that?
do
All
that.
right. Perfect, perfect. All right. So hey, but thank you, Jarkin, for suggesting it. So thank you, appreciate it a lot. I didn't know there was a daily problem, so I might start looking into that, you know. But we'll see, we'll see. All right, brother, you wanna get down into business with this one?
Yes.
Yes. All
Yes.
right. All
I
right.
could
All
read it for
right.
you. I could read it.
All right. Bet.
So we got 1378 replace employee ID with the unique identifier. We're given a table employees, column names. We have ID name. On the types we have ID is int and name is char. It says ID is the primary key column with the unique values for this table. Each row of this table contains an ID of the name. Oh, the ID and the name of an employee in a company. You also have another table, employee UNI. I don't know what UNI means, or unique or uni. I don't know what UNI would
Okay.
mean, but I guess unique ID. Okay. So in the column names, you have ID, unique ID, and both are type ints. So ID and unique ID is a primary key combination of the columns with unique values for this table. Each row of this table contains the ID and the corresponding unique ID of an employee in the company. Write a solution to show the unique ID of each user. If a user does not have a unique ID, replace just show null.
Oh.
Return the result table in any order. The result format is in the following example. So we have Alice, Bob, Mir, Winston, Jonathan, and Jonathan has an ID of 3, Mir has an ID of 11, and Winston's the ID of uh, 90.
9.
So, of course, you're going to return those
Mm-hmm.
because
Mm-hmm.
if you look in the employee UNI table, their IDs have a corresponding unique ID. So you return them, and of course, Alice and Bob don't have it, so you return no for them. Very nice. You
Okay.
got it? You got it?
I got it. I got it. I got it.
So we're gonna definitely use a join. Is that correct?
Mm-hmm. I
Definitely
think
use a
so. Yeah.
join, and we're gonna say if um, employee dot ID equals employee uni dot unique ID. No, yeah, no. Employee UNI dot ID and or wait. If it equals, then you want to return it. If it has a none, okay, dude. I mean, you know what? I'm just gonna do it. Select. Let's say, join. Okay. I don't know what the order operation is. Maybe look at my notes. Let me look at my notes real quick.
All right. Bet.
My notes say.
Gonna put the
Um.
class notes up.
Okay. We're gonna say. I want to skip this for now. I'm gonna say from employees. I'm gonna say join. Um. Join. Ufas. I turned my head a little bit too fast right there. Give me a moment. Join.
Employees with employee uni, no?
But you need a common column to select,
I think you can
which
do
is
join employee uni.
employees on.
No, I think it's from employees join employees uni on unique ID equals ID. Damn.
On unique ID.
Yeah, unique.
No. Well, maybe, but what my notes say is like you're gonna choose the main table you want to join it to,
Uh-huh.
and you're gonna say unique ID. You're gonna say um, join employees, uh, and choose the column. What's this column name? Oh, these are column names.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
okay. So we're gonna say column name. We're gonna say from order join orders on
I think it's
join. Okay, join employees employee uni on, and then you're gonna say um, ID employees.id equals employee uni ID.
mm-hmm. Yeah, that works.
Yeah or nay?
You know, it equals unique ID, no?
But isn't the join you find the two common columns?
I go back to the table example tables. Okay. Oh, you were right. Yeah, you're right. You're right. My bad. My bad. I take it back. You're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. Yep. 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 And then
From there, we could select um
the
the
unique ID.
ID. Yeah. Yes, unique ID. So we're gonna say employee. Do we use this one now? Now that these two are joined, like these two tables are essentially joined now, right?
Yeah.
And now, do we use employees as the main name to select unique ID, or we use employee
I
uni?
I think you can use employee uni.
Okay.
Employee uni. Yeah.
I remember asking that question before, and it said use employee uni because that's like the parent of that
Mm-hmm.
thing. But also to me, it kind of makes sense to use just employees because like that's where you added everything on.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I'll learn that as I go. So dot unique ID.
Uh-huh.
Okay. And then
And then you also need to select the name.
can I just do employees for this one?
I think so. Yeah.
Okay. Um,
Oh, I think that looks about right.
can we see what it outputs first?
Yeah, I'm
I
done.
know
Yeah.
we still need to add a condition or something.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so that's what we want.
What's the
Now, oh,
expected?
yeah, we want this, but now we
Okay.
need to say
Yeah. Um, I'm not sure
we
how to put
add
the no.
the null to it, correct?
Yeah. 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 But I'm not sure how to put that no in there.
Do you have any hints?
Yeah, I'll say use a hint there. Ooh.
Oh no, ufas.
If you want, I can.
Um,
Oh.
yeah, let's go ahead and search that.
Yeah. Uh. Mm, yeah, because it is joining them. Okay, yeah. How to add a no column when there is no join? Wait a minute. Okay, yeah, yeah. There's no join in my SQL.
It's more of like, aren't we just assigning null to it though?
I think so, but I'm not sure how to do it. What if you do a left join, maybe? I don't know.
How would that be? Like, how do you do that? Left?
Just left, yeah, yeah, left join. I'm not sure how what that's gonna input, but maybe. Oh,
You're nasty. What are you?
dude, I just saw it in a Stack Overflow, and it said left join, and I was like, all right, let's try that.
So, okay, what is left join? Now
It's
we
like
got.
it's like a Venn diagram.
Ah.
Yeah, it's like, uh, yeah, like the inner join shows the first part. The left join joins the table one and the inner. The right join shows the right join and the inner. And then full join is all of it and stuff. So since we're doing a left join, it shows the first table, which is employees, and table two. Okay, that makes sense. If you want, I can pass you
Yeah, pass me that.
the image so you can show it over here on the stream. That way we can know. All right, there you go. I sent it over. How's the stream doing? How's the stream doing? How you guys doing?
Also, my buddy
Mm,
Austin is in the finals right now for CS:GO tournament.
no way.
Yeah.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Damn. Damn, bro. That's
So,
crazy, my guy.
and it's the UTSA team.
Oh, baby. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna
Damn.
be watching
Wait.
that.
When's the finals? Right now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, pass a link. Pass a link so I can support him.
But all right. So here's the table. Here's the diagram. We got inner join. Okay, left join. Table 1. Right join, table 2.
Yeah.
What if we did left join, table, or right join?
Okay. I'm down for that.
Would
Let's
that have
explore.
done? That would have not gave us these other names.
It would.
I think.
Uh-huh.
Let me see. Yeah, okay. I see.
Well, let me see. Okay. Yeah. Jonathan, Winston, and Mary. Yeah.
So left join, since they have the full names over here. Okay. Interesting. But the next thing I'm thinking of is like, so naturally it just assigns null to it, like that. Like that's the next thing is like left join.
I think so.
And because we're equaling from IDs, and if it doesn't have a unique ID, it just naturally puts null to it. Like, is that a standard?
I think so, because null is just like a non-existent, like it's just nothing in there. So maybe it makes a little bit sense, because we are selecting a unique ID, right? But since Alice and Bob don't have a unique ID, we can just put them a null, right? Which means nothing, right? And Mir, Winston, Jonathan would get that 231.
Interesting.
Yeah. It's interesting.
All right.
Yes,
Submitted.
Submitted.
Dude,
Oh, damn. Okay.
I shouldn't have. Oh wait, is that the answer? Okay, perfect.
Hey.
Okay, so what's up with this? How do these people get lower? Oh, these are higher runtimes. Okay, so this is good. Okay, better.
Yeah, we good.
I'm like, these guys are special over here.
Yeah, but
okay, I didn't read the graph right. Not bad.
I get. All right, one more.
My
hey,
head
how you feeling though?
Dude.
We haven't updated, bro. I forgot, bro.
We haven't updated the insane levels, dude. I'm so sorry. I respect the game so much. I can't believe I just missed it. I'm definitely like at a 7, bro.
At 7?
My head's hurting a little bit. And
all right.
I have some outside factors. Like, it's not the SQL.
Okay.
It's like, I think the soda's messing me up. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Okay,
I should have drank the soda.
Hey, it's all good, brother. It's all good. I'm gonna say a 2-ish.
Yeah.
You know, a 2. But hey, if you want, we can finish this one, right? This SQL, and we can call it a day here. So I know I don't want you to get more ill and stuff, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So let's just trying to finish this one. If your head, the pain goes up a little bit more, we can stop it there. But
Okay.
yes, sir. All right.
You want to read
Yes,
this one?
yes. Yeah, I got you. I got you. I got you. So we got 620 not boring movies. It's an easy problem, and it says the following. ID is a primary key column with the unique values for this table. Each row contains information about the name of a movie, its gender, and its rating. Rating is a two decimal places float in the range of 0 to 10. With write a solution to report the movies with an odd number ID and a description that is not boring.
Hmm.
Return the result table ordered by rating in a descending order. The results format is in the following example. So we get example one, input, input table. We get movie, science, Irish Iceland house cards. The movie description, grade 3D, fiction, boring, fantasy, interesting. Rating of 8.9, 8.5, 8.6.2, 8.6, 9.1. Output, house of cards, interesting, war, grade 3D, 3D, 9.1, 8.9. We have three movies with an odd number IDs, 1, 3, 5. The movie with the ID 3 is boring, so we do not include it in the answer. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm assuming we do, unless they have an odd function. I'm assuming maybe there's a modulo type thing, or maybe not.
Let me
Maybe
let
there's
me
an
let me
odd
search it up.
function.
Let me check if there is value. There's odd value in SQL. Oh yeah, there's a modulo. There's a modulo.
Okay.
Modulo. This is yes. Yeah. Eh. Hotel, motel, holiday inn. Eh.
I think I'm on the right track.
Yep.
Um,
From
Also, talking about movies, I went to go see a movie this weekend.
Oh, which one?
Take a guess.
Minecraft.
I saw the Minecraft movie.
Oh, how'd you feel about it? I heard good things about it. Heard
Okay,
good things.
here's my honest review of the Minecraft movie.
Okay.
It was funny. You gotta go into the movie with low expectations.
Expected. Okay, fair. Yeah.
And it was
Okay.
funny in the sense that the people watching it, they like go crazy over like the small like details of the movie. I don't know if you've seen it, but I guess I'm a
Yeah.
little bit old in the sense that like I'm not in the loop on this, but I
Mhm.
guess whenever like there's certain words said in the movie, like the kids go crazy.
Yeah.
Like so they celebrate like
Damn.
crazy. And that's what happened in the movie theater. I was freaking out. I was like, these all these guys are clapping. Like, what are they clapping for? Like what? But then I started clapping. I was like, Brad, like this is awesome. Like, you know? So that's the expectation you gotta go with the movie. You can't go like
Okay.
I'm gonna critique this whole movie and
Yeah, for sure.
you know, like and then oh these kids were annoying, like they were celebrating. Like, no, you gotta just have fun with it. Have fun with
Yeah.
it. And it was fun. I mean, it was fun. It's definitely a
Yeah.
kids movie though. Like
Uh-huh.
I personally wish that it was tailored more to like the hardcore Minecraft fans that have been
Mm-hmm.
playing for a long time. I
Yeah.
was hoping there was more Easter eggs,
Yeah.
but apparently there was the ending credits and the scenes at the end,
Uh-huh.
the post credit scenes.
Yeah.
That wasn't. Those were more Easter eggs than there were more Easter eggs then than the damn entire
Really?
movie that
Damn,
I
okay.
wanted to see. Like I wanted to see cool Easter eggs, right?
Yeah.
So that kind
Yeah.
of made me a little bit upset that they didn't put more Easter eggs for like the hardcore Minecraft lovers, like that have been
Mm-hmm.
playing for a while. So I don't think their target audience was that was the
Yeah.
OGs. It was to the newer
Yeah.
generations and stuff. That's
Yeah.
just my opinion. But like I
Okay.
said, I
Okay.
wish I would have saw that more. I wish I would have saw that more. Um, but like I said, you go into it with an open mind, fun environment, and that's what you're
Mhm.
gonna get from the Minecraft movie.
Yeah.
So
Okay. Yeah, I heard. I heard that the movie wasn't as bad as people thought it would be, and that and like you said, you have to go in. Like you said, it was meant for kids, and that you have to
uh-huh.
go, knowing that it's for kids. You can't
Yeah.
go in there thinking, oh, Minecraft is gonna come out. It's
Yeah.
this great movie with this
Yeah, yeah,
great
yeah.
plot. Yeah,
Exactly.
it's just no,
Exactly.
it's just a movie to have fun with.
Yes, yes.
And to just enjoy it. So
Yeah.
okay, fair enough, fair enough.
So,
That's
and to
cool.
be
That's cool.
to be
I'm
quite
glad.
honest, I was going in with that idea that like, oh, I want to see the Minecraft story, like what it's gonna be. But
Yeah,
then I quickly understood the assignment that it wasn't gonna be
it
like
was.
that. So
Yeah.
I switched that mindset quickly and just enjoyed it. I enjoyed it.
Hey,
It was
okay.
fun.
Hey, that's
So
good, bro. That's good to hear.
everyone was laughing and like, yeah, it was a cool experience. It almost reminds me. Did you get to see Spider-Man, the multiverse one, the Far From
Yeah,
Home
the
or
one
No
with
Way
the
Home or something?
No Way Home.
Yeah, yeah, it was the most recent Spider-Man movie.
Okay, the Miles Morales.
Not the Miles Morales.
Oh, okay, okay. Yes, yes, yes. I know.
The
Yeah,
one with
yeah,
the
yeah. With
three
the three
Spider-Mans.
Spider-Mans. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah,
it
yeah. I
was like
remember that.
it's like
Yeah.
that on steroids. Like the
Oh,
Spider-Man
I can
movie,
imagine.
everyone was cheering whenever all that happened, right?
Yeah,
Like it's almost like breaking the fourth wall. Like you're like the audience is so like happy and like sometimes
yeah,
in majority of movies that I go to, like everyone's focusing on the movie. Of course,
yeah,
you might hear maybe clapping at the end, but never in the movie though. Like never whenever the movie's playing, like everyone's silent, like everyone's watching.
yeah,
But Spider-Man was so damn good in that and gravitating towards the audience that
yeah,
that we celebrated during the movie and throughout the movie because that's how good it was,
yeah,
right? So
yeah.
Minecraft movie is like that on steroids. Like it's like no rules
Dude, I
basically.
can imagine,
No
bro.
rules.
I
Like
can
it don't matter.
imagine.
Like they could say the dumbest thing and people are gonna start cheering. So that's the type of vibe environment I
Bro,
gotta tell
that's a
you.
vibe, not lie, bro.
Yeah, it was
That's
funny.
a
It was
vibe.
funny.
That's a vibe.
You can't go in
Yeah,
as a
damn.
Karen. If you're a Karen, don't
Oh,
watch the
nah,
Minecraft
yeah,
movie.
for sure. Yeah,
Don't
no,
watch the
no. You go
Minecraft
in
movie if
there
you're a
to have
Karen.
fun and to enjoy like
Yeah.
what Minecraft is and stuff. Okay,
I
I see.
even
No, that's fun.
I don't know if this is a spoiler. I don't want to. Never mind.
Ooh, go for it, go for it, go for it,
You
go
played
for it if you
Minecraft?
want. A little bit here and there.
You know what a zombie jockey is? A chicken
Yeah, it's
jockey?
the one. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's the one with the zombie, no?
A zombie, but like it's on a chicken?
Yeah, the babies. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yes, yes. So whenever
yeah.
that showed up in the movie, like I saw
Yes.
people get on top of each other, like a jockey, like like they'll pick them up, and they were just screaming. Even if you search up videos, you'll see those reactions as well.
Bro,
The funniest thing ever, man. Yeah, and
dude,
these are
that's crazy,
grown
bro.
ass
Dude,
kids. Like these are like
that's
high schoolers getting on top of
that's
each other.
crazy, bro.
And it's just so funny, like and like they're blocking the screen. Like thankfully for me, like I don't know if anyone did that, but like on the videos I saw afterwards, they're like blocking the screen and stuff, like just throwing their popcorn up in the air. Of course, like they gotta respect the garbage people. So I don't really appreciate
Yeah.
them throwing popcorn everywhere, but the point is like people were so happy they're like celebrating like that. So anyways, I'm done talking about the damn
Bro,
Minecraft movie.
that's a funny thing to see, bro. You see, just a person like picking up another person, trying. Dude, that's like, bro, what's going on in their minds, bro?
Yeah, yes. Yeah,
Oh
exactly.
man, bro, that's crazy, dude. That
But
is crazy.
yeah, anyways.
Okay,
Back to the
all
problem,
right.
everyone.
Back to the problem. Back to the problem.
So
All right.
from
Yeah.
cinema, yeah. And we don't have to do any joins here, no? It's just parsing all this. Just
Yes, it's just a table. Yeah, I think we have to check if the ID though it's not or an even.
okay. So aren't we gonna say like there's like a function here that we could
I think it's on the where we have to do a where.
Oh, I was thinking right
Yeah.
here in the select.
No, because the select is the what you're gonna print out,
But in the
right?
select, you could sum like IDs and stuff. You could sum data in the select.
Oh, that is true.
So, but maybe it works both. Maybe you could do it both ways.
Let
I'm
me.
not saying there's only one way,
Yeah.
but
I just know there's a modulo operator,
okay.
like
Well,
the little.
let's
Yeah.
do the what you're thinking.
All right. So we're gonna say where cinema ID modulo
How
modulo
do
2.
how do I?
It's the 5. Yeah. 2 not equal to 1,
No,
and
equals one. That means it's odd.
oh yes, and cinema description does not equal boring.
Can you do string like this?
Yeah. Pretty sure.
And then group in descending.
Oh yes. I
Uh,
think yeah.
DSC.
DSC, yes sir.
All right.
Ooh. Oh, the semicolon, I think. Is it?
Or is it sort by or
Oh, I think it's sort by.
uh? Or I think you just do. Yeah, I think you
Order
just say
by.
like a send order by.
Order by. We're gonna order by. What is it? Are we ordering by?
Ascending,
By.
descending.
No, but we have to specify column, like order by column,
Oh,
ascending
rating.
or descending.
Isn't it
Right? Yeah,
rating?
order by. I think so.
Yeah, rating.
Okay, so order by cinema rating, and then do you DSC. DESC. Yes, sir.
Let's check it out.
Unknown column. Oh, movie. Yep. Let's go, baby. Let's go.
Good
Let's
stuff.
go. Let's go.
Shall we submit it?
Yes, sir. I don't know. I find SQL kind of fun.
It is fun. It's fun whenever you could just like
Yeah.
manipulate the data and not manipulate, but like
Yeah.
select the
Like
bits and pieces you want to select.
yeah. It's kind of
So,
fun. It's kind of fun.
Good stuff. Only
Damn.
8 test cases. Wow. That's
Yeah,
early.
that's kind of small.
Ah,
All right, brother.
all right, Jose, man. I capped out,
All
bro.
right, my guy. All right.
I thought
Yes,
I was
sir. It's
able
all
to
good,
like
bro.
chill and stuff, but that just shows the power of LeetCode.
LeetCode.
How much brain power it takes. If you're not all there sometimes, like if you're sick, sometimes you can't do it.
Yeah,
You
hey,
only
it's
have a certain
understandable.
capacity.
It's
Or maybe
understandable.
I'm weak.
Nah, you ain't weak, brother. You ain't weak, brother. You said, before the stream that you weren't feeling it, and you still pulled through the 3 SQL problems. So hey, you ain't weak, brother. You ain't weak.
I appreciate that. All
Yes,
right, that was a
sir.
good refresher, man.
Yeah, for sure.
Next week, probably a celebration. Is that the move?
Yeah,
Celebration?
yes, sir.
We
Yes,
gotta
sir.
figure out
Hey,
what the
hey.
move for that one is.
Hotel, motel, holiday.
We gotta
Hey,
figure out what
hey,
the move for
hey,
that one
hey.
is.
It's gonna be in the Holiday Inn, my boy. That's
No, I don't know about
celebration.
that one.
Hey, yo.
I don't know about that one. But all right, man. That's all I have
All
to
right,
say.
brother. Yeah. No, same here. Possible stream next week. Celebration 500. We want to thank everybody here that has subbed. The new people that subbed in, thank you. Hopefully, you guys stay here. We do this every week. We stream every week. We try our best to do some LeetCode and a couple problems here and there. Join the Discord if you want to be part of the community. There's a lot of members there that just talk about LeetCode stuff and stuff. So if you want to be there, join up there and stuff. Please, come on next week and the other week and the other week. And feel free to drop in LeetCode problems. I know Jarquin mentioned the daily problem, but today was impossible. Maybe next stream, right? But feel free to drop the problem, it's stuff according to the situation and everything else. We might be able to try it out and see if we can accomplish it, right? And hey, just come in here to the streams. We have an amazing community, people helping us out, trying to solve the problem, where you can help yourself out to learn new tricks, tips, and advice, right? From our members here. Like previous stream, we had a senior software engineer, right? Which Michael, thank you. We can't express it enough for giving us the chance to interview you, and you basically took us to the 500 sub, and you can meet people like that and just share and stuff like that. So that, Carlos, you have nothing to say, nothing more?
No, I'm just
No.
very grateful for support that everyone gives, and um, everyone keep grinding, keep on
Yes, sir.
grinding. It'll
Yes,
pay
sir.
off. Literally, it'll pay off.
Yeah.
So stay motivated, everyone. Um, and we're excited to continue the streams, and we're gonna have a nice celebration next week. So we'll figure out whatever the details are. Um, the big milestone for us. So that's about it.
Yep. Yeah. So with that said, thank you guys for tuning in. Have a great day, great morning, great afternoon, great night, whatever the time zone is your end. But just have a great day. Thank you guys. See you guys